Today we're going to show you how to install Tusk Comp Series Nerf bars on your sport quad. Now if you didn't already know, this is a must-have upgrade for your sport quad. It's going to give you a safe platform for your feet. These are really good for rough conditions, and that way your feet don't slip off and hit the ground. They're going to protect you from debris flying up, and they're actually required for racing, and that's to help prevent another machine from getting tangled up with yours. So these are really simple to install. We've already installed our webbing, and that's going to be in a separate video. So click here to watch that one. But with that being said, it's going to be a similar process for just about any ATV. We're going to show you how to do it on our blaster. So let's go ahead and get started. To start out, we need to install our front mount. These two brackets are typically going to go on each side of the front motor mount, and that's going to apply to most machines. So we need to remove this bolt, but if you have an LTR 450, this will actually mount to the front fender support. The next step is to set the front bracket in place, and you'll notice with this sitting in place, you're going to have more space on one side of the motor mount than the other. So put the spacers in the correct spots, and then for this mounting bolt, when we slide it in, I'm actually going to apply just a little bit of grease to it to prevent it from corroding, and that way it doesn't get stuck in there. Now on the other side, we're going to slide the shorter spacer in place. We'll push the bolt the rest of the way through and install the washer and nut. Now before I tighten this down, I'm going to move over to the foot peg. So the Nerf bars are going to mount to your foot pegs, and in some cases, you're just going to have two holes in the foot peg already. In our case, we actually have the heel guard attached to the foot peg, so we need to remove both of those bolts. The next step is to slide the Nerf bar over that front mount, and then we're going to take the supplied hardware. So two of the bolts, they're going to go through the front, and since we actually have the heel guard attachment, we're not going to be able to use the washers that came in the kit, but on the inside of the foot peg, we're going to install the two supplied nylock nuts. Once you have the bolts started, you can go ahead and tighten them down and then do those same steps on the other side. The final step is to torque the motor mount and bracket, and make sure you reference your model specific service manual for that spec. That's it for the Tusk Comp Series Nerf bar install for your sport quad. This really completes the look and gives you the protection you're looking for. If you need a set of these, go pick one up on our website. And if you have any questions about the install process, leave those down in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.